Hanging Bridge.
In Rocky. I've never seen anything like this before. We're finally off that coach. That took forever. We have another journey to go.
I'm gonna eat this in the next leg of the journey.
We have another journey to go. That was one journey, 3 hours long, and now we've got another 3 hours to go. And then we're in Baler. But yeah, it will be very good when we get to Baler, and then we can chill for a few days and then worry about traveling again. But we need a direct bus. We don't want someone stopping off like, oh, here's this service, here's that place, here's this place, like 10 different times.
Yeah, people get dropped off where they would need to get dropped off.
Yeah, probably like an hour from Baler.
Yeah, an hour and a bit.
So this is where we're staying for the weekend. Shower, toilet. That's all you need, isn't it?
That's all.
And a painting or two, and some aircon, and a nice view outside. 5 AM we set off, and we're here at 2 PM. So it's been a long journey to get here. One bus and one van, a cram van. I was sat on the middle seat, so that was very lovely. Definitely would recommend that to everyone else.
This is nice.
We're gonna head to the beach now. Wow, we're gonna get some food. It's nice here.
Have a bit?
Nice and relaxed. Gano'n kalaki po yun?
4:30 lang ang available po. Saka yung 5:30.
Pang 2 tao po yan.
So we got fried rice, yellowfin tuna.
Yellowfish. Is it yellow?
Yellowfish. It's a yellowfish. Yellowfin.
Rice is really nice.
Really tasty. Fish and rice, that's what we need. Basically. It's crazy how it just like falls apart like that. I think we're gonna be crashing after that food because we ate so much, but also we didn't have anything today really. Ensamada, just one ensamada.
Well, this is food for the whole day. So breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Yeah, food for the whole day. Now we will chill. Time to chill.
Oh, it's hiding.
It's our first proper day and the second day in Baler. And today we're going on an adventure. We've got lots of stuff going on. Let's get on with the day. You've got some pork.
That's nice.
Pork breakfast. Is it pork?
It's tocino, but it's vegetarian.
Vegetarian breakfast.
It tastes nice.
And then I've got some sausage. eating breakfast. Let's go.
Yeah. Is that what you're gonna be like when you're older?
Yeah. You like this? Oh, see some birds over there. That's nice. Oh, there's a squirrel over there. There's a cockroach there.
Is what you're gonna be like. Erica pa?
Así siya.
Jake.
Jake.
Lakad tayo, sir.
Sige. Opo. Doon na ako lumaki pero marunong pa rin
O mga Ito yung beach, oh.
Oh, ang ganda.
Picture mo na.
Nice workout. Are you alright? Getting higher up now.
Yeah.
Nice. It's a workout, isn't it? It's a workout. Getting up here. Good way to start the day, I guess. A lighthouse.
Kunin mo yung number ko, ma'am. Para bukas. Pagod, ma'am. Exercise, sir.
Yeah.
Wala, kulang kami sa ganyan.
Heading back down.
Daan? May napunta doon?
Yung mga mangingisda.
Going down is harder than going up. Nearly down. It's taking a while to get down, but it is very sketchy around here. What? Yeah, very steep. It's very sketchy, isn't it?
Oy, yeah.
Very last part.
Na.
Time for the next place to go.
Mamaya, maaga tayo na. Pwede pa kayo mag-start.
Hindi ako kasi masyadong madaling lumangin pag may alon.
Yung instructor mo.
Is it cold?
It's nice.
Ah, that's nice. Yeah. It's clear. That hike was took a lot of energy, didn't it?
Yeah.
I guess it was good to do that first thing.
Shallow. Yeah. It's deeper down there.
It's good. It's refreshing.
The rocks are a bit slippery.
Yeah.
Swimming in between rocks.
Hey, dog.
So this is called Ermita Hill, and the history behind it is like ages ago there was a tsunami in this area, and I think there were 5 families that went up here. They were the families that survived.
That's the thing.
Don't quote me on the 5 families. I don't know if it's 5, but I remember there were a few families that survived because they came up here. Pati yun nandito. Ano yung history dito? Yung pamilya ba yun?
Ang 7 pamilya nakaligtas sa tsunami.
It was 7 families.
7 families, tsunami nakaligtas.
Yeah,
1735,
1735.
December 27. Mga nakaligtas, Angara, Presidente, Binasa, Carrasco. Yun yung kahalamogo.
Kita ba?
Hanging Bridge.
Have you been on one of these before?
No?
You wanna
Sure.
try?
Are you scared?
Dyan na lang yata sa ano.
Kayo na lang dyan.
You go first.
Should be fine. This is the Sketchy Bridge. Sketchy. So sketchy. What are you doing? What? This is so sketchy. But yeah, it's a new experience, I guess. Never been on a bridge like this. So mad. Whoa! This is crazy. I don't know if we have to go back, but this is so crazy. It's such a rocky place, and it's just held up by wood and nails. It's massive. It takes so long to get down here. Nearly here. Nearly finished. Hello.
Rastafari.
It's long.
Yeah,
Very long.
almost 30 meters, 300 meters.
You live around here?
My name is Jerry. I'm one of the photographer.
Photographers?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You just take photos when people
Yeah.
come down
And
there.
then give my tip.
Yeah.
Falls na.
I don't know if Erica is actually coming on the side.
No, mababaw lang.
Sir, dito sir! Dito na!
Ito.
Mama, kiss mo naman!
Tara. Ayun.
Rocky! I guess I'm walking back. But yeah, this is a crazy bridge. There's so many people on at the moment, so it's rocking quite a lot. And there's parts where it's just like broken. Whoa! Rocking so much. This is so trippy. This is funny. It's not so bad though. Now that I've done it once, I can do it again. I think it's harder going the other way, to be honest. Rocky Bridge. It's getting rocky.
Ay, pero isa lang may-ari niya.
Well, you were going to follow me.
No, it was too swingy. I was scared.
I went there and back. I thought you were following me.
No, I was scared. I've never crossed this bridge.
Well, you let me go on it, didn't you? You let me go
Oh,
on
you
it.
just kept going.
Well, to be honest, it was quite a good experience. I vlogged it all anyway. I was like, whoa. And there was more people on it when I was going back.
Yeah. You see? I was
You were just like, no, I'll leave him to go there. I thought you were coming with me, so that's why I went all the way.
Did you not look behind you?
No, I'm not looking behind me when I'm going forward.
I was like, I'm gonna go back. You didn't hear me.
You didn't even go, you didn't even step up.
I did. I got up to there and then I was like, no.
Yeah, that's
I'm back.
rubbish. I did the whole thing.
Tabag dyan, ano? Takot siya.
Scared.
Takot siya.
You're scared?
Scared.
Yeah, scared. Everyone just takes pictures on that, don't they?
Huh?
Everyone just takes
Ay,
pictures
kung
on
sa
the...
balete na tayo bumili, mama, ng tubig.
Meron po daw.
Meron lang doon.
This is the Baler tree.
Yeah, listen. It's massive.
600 years old, you say?
Yeah.
Ito.
Years old, this tree.
600 years old, yeah. Whoa! This is crazy.
You seen something like this before?
No.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like something out of a film. That's a tall part. Oh. What?
I can't go that far.
I could probably get that far, but... These people do drone shots and all that all the time.
Yeah, it's a thing.
Like, oh, I'm gonna take videos and... I mean, they like being creative with the photos, don't they?
Yeah. It looks like they had a drone.
They're steady
dad-
with a camera.
Yeah.
We're going to Mother Falls to see the waterfall. It's cool. Soaring. Do you think we'll be climbing more again?
Where?
Over here.
From what I remember, it wasn't
Wasn't a hike.
like a
It was just slopes.
yeah. It's just walking along the water there. The water here is really cold. It's like freezing. It's like ice.
Ice bath.
Yeah. When you go in, it's literally so cold. It's nice.
It looks very beautiful though.
The jungle.
Yeah. It's really nice views.
He was showing me, our guide was showing me like all the different plots of like land you could get around here. Oh, can't wait.
It's a different kind of bridges earlier. Sturdy. Different bridge to earlier. Bamboo bridge. Pretty cool. It's just obstacles really, isn't it? It's no real like steep stuff, but obstacles. So photo worthy, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like you want to take photos of everything here
yeah.
because it's so nice. It's in the jungle. Ooh. It's a nice view. It's one obstacle after another. It's a challenge. Yeah, fun one. That's nice and refreshing.
We're almost done.
Nice hike. Cool. Lovely waterfall. Lovely waterfall.
I want to take a picture of this.
What do you think of this? You've already been here before, so
Yeah, but every time it's still like, wow.
yeah. Especially this is cool.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like this before. Experiencing something like this for the first time.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's why I love it here.
There's Mother Falls there. It's definitely cold. We're swimming down here.
Wanna take a picture here?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I need to go. Wanna get in there? Mother Falls.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going down now. It's cold.
It's cold. Oh my goodness. Oh, God.
Meditation.
Yes. Be nice.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. Swimming in the waterfall.
Yeah. Very chilling. Scenic view.
Only locals know about this place, really.
Really? Is that why they like they're like, oh, where are you from?
Yeah.
They're like,
It's a
I've never
local.
seen anyone before. There's not many like tourists in this town anyway.
Not foreign tourists.
No.
That's because they don't know.
And then I'm the one that's here.
I don't want them to know because they'll make it.
So I'm basically like famous if I come here. Because everyone's like, oh, who are you? Like,
They're like, where are you from?
see you later, everyone.
Do me. Look.
Yeah. Is that good?
Yeah. This can be your thumbnail process.
What, of you? No, the thumbnail photo is going to be me going across that bridge. Because you left me on that bridge.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.
Warning. Like and subscribe.
Like
Because
and
then you see
subscribe.
more of what goes on behind the scenes
You
of our
see-
travels.
You see more of us traveling, and if you hit like and subscribe, we can do more of this.
We're getting out now.
Yeah.
We've stayed a long time.
That was really fun.
And now it's going to feel nice walking back. Walking back's going to be like, that's very nice. It's like when you get out of ice bath and then all your body just feels so nice and so good.
Nice view.
Refreshing. But yeah, that was fun. On our way back down. It's always harder going back down than coming up. And it's so slippery with the rocks. one bridge after another. Made it back down in one piece.
Play
Hindi kasi may matamis naman eh.
Oh, akong
What are you getting here?
I love this.
What is it?
Fish ball.
Ikaw mo mag-isip. Ayan ba nga? Ibibili ko nga daw lahat. Tsaka
We were going to go in the pool, but
The
we'll have to wait until
treatment.
later.
Yeah. We can do it when we come back.
Yeah.
They're cleaning it.
But we're going there now. Fish port?
Yeah, I saw it around there.
Okay, we're going to the fish port. Baler fish port.
I've never been here. I haven't been this far. It's like quite nice city, somewhere new.
It's a nice view, probably.
Yeah.
So we're back at Yellowfin, aren't we? We said for the driver to recommend a restaurant to go to, and he took us to Yellowfin. So I guess we need to hear again. So that's your sign that it's really good. So if you want to come here, go to Yellowfin. Yeah, we got some steak, fish steak,
Yeah.
and some veggies. What's the veggies?
Yeah. No, we got I got us like this grilled aubergine thing
Yeah.
as a salad.
Oh, it's great. You like the aubergine?
Yeah. I like grill it and then
It's got like mozzarella, is it?
huh?
What is that? Mozzarella? Or like cheese?
No, that's salted egg. That one is salted.
And then we got some rice as well. Try it now. So we got the rice here, and we got the fish. I'm gonna try the fish first. Very nice garlic fish. Try the aubergine now.
What do you think?
It's like buttery.
Huh?
Buttery.
Grilled.
It's like buttery inside. It tastes like butter.
It's the egg probably. Salted egg.
Yeah, maybe the egg. That's probably what it was. Just in time to catch the sunset.
Yeah. It's looking nice.
The moon's up there.
It's pretty.
I slept really well yesterday.
Yeah.
Got like 10 hours sleeping. I think I went to sleep at like 8 or 9 o'clock.
Yeah. No, you went to sleep earlier than
Right,
I
well,
went to sleep at night.
Well, I was like, yes, I need my sleep.
You need yours.
If only it was like that on the coach journey, sir.
I love the locals here. They're so friendly. And they remember you.
I don't know what anyone's saying. So.
That's why you need to learn the language.
Well, maybe I'll get some Duolingo on the Philippines, and then I'll be like learning.
And then you can talk to them as well.
Well, I wouldn't be able to say that much. So it'd just be like, good.
Yeah.
It's very good, isn't it? It's a nice I like just watching people surf.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a shame we didn't get to try it.
Yeah.
We said the waves are a bit too big now.
Many good surfers around.
Yeah, well, they're the pros. I guess if you're local here, then you do this like
Every day.
every day.
Is that what you do every day?
Yeah, if I lived here, I would learn how to surf. I'd
Well,
have
you-
lessons every day. No, I'd want lessons so I can like do what they're doing, where you can like crisscross like the board.
People make it look easy.
It's quite hard.
Yeah, that guy's just.
Because the first time I tried it regular footed, and then the second time when he was my instructor, he was like, "Oh, why don't you try goofy foot?"
Nice guys. What?
What do you think of this town?
It's very good and very friendly.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
My favorite place in the
That's the way to end the trip, isn't it? Really,
Yeah.
seeing that instructor that you used to. Well,
Yeah.
he taught you how to surf.
Yeah. Well, those lot, they're like friends. Well, we got like supplies for village.
He raised. Oh, it's lit up now.
Yeah.
He raised money for the village around here.
Yeah, well, when they got hit by a typhoon, and like loads of like houses were flooded, and livelihoods were like ruined because the farms were like flooded. So I was like, oh, like it's sad to see them go through that. There must be something I could do to help because they're so nice to me here.
That's the thing. You're giving back to the people.
Yeah, because thing is, they made me love life. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, your shorts are glowing.
We're heading back to Manila and we're going to get the bus, 6-hour bus.